Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sarah here. So last year I took a trip down to the east to visit my sister and I made it down to Enugu, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys what I got up to. So we're off to Enugu right now. I'm going to show you guys what we get up to. I'm really looking forward to trying the Enugu Okpa, Abacha, and we're going to go to Nike. Is it Nike? Like Nike Lake. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. Initially we wanted to go to the pine forest, but you know we had a last minute change of plans. So we're gonna see what we can do. So I went along with my sister. We boarded a Sienna from Awka and the cost was 800 because it was a Friday and it was peak period. Also there was some crazy traffic on that day. So first impressions, I loved it. Everywhere was so clean and structured. I've never been to Enugu before other than passing through on a road trip, so I was really impressed and I liked how clean and organized this part was. First priority was to head to Okpa market for Abacha. I was told that this is one of the best places to get Abacha in Enugu. I'm not sure, but yeah, a friend of my sister's recommended this place. It was actually really cheap too, and we got like a plate for like 500 with two pomo or kanda as they called it, and a huge serving of Abacha. So we just got our Abacha. It's my first time trying it. I look forward to it and I hope it's good. Next we were headed to go and get Okpa. By the way, we didn't really know where we were going, but we're just kind of winging it and relying on our maps and directions that we got from a friend of my sister's who couldn't come along with us. Thank God we didn't get lost. No, seriously. We've gotten our Okpa and we're gonna try going to the lake. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but yeah, we don't know where we're going. Then it was off to Nike Lake and we used our Google Maps as directions. And I also tried the Abacha. I didn't like it. I'm sorry guys, it's not for me. Is 500. We took a bus from a bus park and now we're heading there now. It's 5 o'clock. So guys, we finally made it here. It seems the lake is managed by a hotel. We're told not to bring our food in, which is weird because we're holding Okpa and Abacha and it's somehow like leaving your food with people you don't know, but we had no choice. So the sun's down, but I think we can still get some good shots over here. We didn't actually pay an entrance fee, and this is the lake right behind me. Yeah, it's just there. Nothing spectacular. That's just about it. We're gonna get a little tour of the hotel. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed watching, please like, please share, please comment. What do you guys think of where we went? Do you think it was worth it? Does the Okpa or the Abacha look nice? And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. So this is the hotel that manages the lake, I guess. So based on what we saw outside, it looks like a great place to come and chill with your friends, probably a honeymoon destination, and also just a great place to relax. I didn't get to go inside, but that's what I just think. A late night, we boarded a bus, but we made it back to Anambra safely, thank God.